Hare Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hare Guruvayurappa Sharanam. Here we will be seeing Dashaka 46 of Narayaniyam, which is revelation of the cosmic form to Yashoda. This Dasaga is based on Bhagavatam Skanda 10, chapter 7, verses 34 to 37, and chapter 8, verses 32 to 45. Krishna's manifest pastimes include cosmic revelations. Krishna revealed this form twice to his mother Yashoda. We read in Srimad Bhagavatam 10th Skanda that when the child Krishna once yawned happily, his mother saw in his mouth heaven and earth, stars, oceans, continents, and all moving and non-moving things. A similar incident occurred soon thereafter when her divine son happened to eat mud. When Krishna opened his mouth wide by the order of Mother Yashoda, she saw within his mouth all moving and non-moving entities, outer space, and all directions, along with mountains, islands, oceans, the surface of the earth, the blowing wind, fire, the moon, and the stars. She saw the planetary systems, water, light, air, sky, and creation by transformation of Ahankara. She also saw the senses, the mind, sense perception, and the three qualities goodness, passion, and ignorance. She saw the time allotted for the living entities. She saw the natural instinct and the reactions of karma, and she saw the desires and different varieties of bodies, moving and non moving. Seeing all these aspects of cosmic manifestation, along with herself and Vrindavana, she became doubtful and fearful of her son's nature. Yashoda had the supreme knowledge for an instant, but Bhagavan made her forget it immediately with his Maya and made her look upon him as her own adorable little child. Now we'll see the slokas. अयि देव पुरा किल त्वयि स्वयमुत्थानशये स्तनन्दये परिजृम्भणतो व्यपावृते वदने विश्वम् अचष्टवल्लवी. O Hare, once long ago, as though were lying flat on the back in the lap of Yashoda and sucking at her breast, you yawned. As you did so, in thy open mouth, you revealed to her the whole universe. Punarapyada balagai samam toyi leela nirade jagatpade phalasanjaya vanjana krudha tava mritbhojana ujurarbhagaha. O Lord of the universe, again once, as you were playing with other children, you cheated them in collecting fruits. Angered at this, the children reported to thy mother that you had eaten mud. Aite pralayavadhau vibho chidito yadi samasta bhakshina mrudupashana doruja bhavede idibida janani chukobasa. O Lord, at that time of deluge, you do consume everything, earth, water, etc. Yet thy mother was frightened that you may fall sick by eating mud, and so she became angry. Ai durvinayatmagattvaya kimumrilsa badavalsa bhakshida idimadragiram jiram vibho vidatham tvam pradijatnishehasan. Oh, you naughty boy, is it that you have eaten mud? Hare, these words of your mother, for a long time you kept on denying and laughingly asserted that you had not done so. ഐതേ സകലർവിനിശ്ചിതേ വിമിതിശ്ചേദ്വദനം വിധാര്യതാം ഇതി മാതൃവിവത്സിതോ മുഖം വികസത്പത്മനിഭം വ്യധാരയ. O boy, if you deny what all the others are saying, open your mouth. Thus reprimanded by thy mother, you open thy mouth as a lotus in full bloom. അഭിമൃല്ലവദർശനോത്സുകാം ജനനീം താം ബഹുതർപ്പയന്നിവ പൃഥിവീം നിഖിലാം ന കേവലം ഭുവനാന്യഭ്യഖിലാന്യദീദൃശ. Thy mother was eager to see just a trace of mud in thy mouth, as though to please her and to give her abundant satisfaction. You showed her in thy mouth not only this whole earth, but the entire universe. കുഹജിദ്വനമംബുധി ക്വചിദഭ്രം കുഹചിദ്രസാദലം മനുജാധനുജാ ക്വചിത്സുരാഃ ദദൃശേ കിം ന തഥാ ത്വദാനനേ. At that time, in thy mouth, what not was seen by Yashoda? Somewhere the forest and oceans, somewhere the skies and Rasatala, human beings and demons, gods and devas. കലശാംബുദിശായിനം പുനഃ പരവൈകുണ്ഠപദാദിവാസിനം സ്വപുരശ്ച നിജാർഭകാത്മകം കദിധാ ത്വാം ന ദദർശ സാമുഖേ. Yashoda saw in thy mouth the recliner in the milk ocean. Again she saw Paramatma, the resident of Vaikuntha. Then she saw thee as her son in front of her. In how many different ways did she not see thee? Hare. വികസദ്ഭുവനേ മുഖോദരേ നനുഭൂയോപി തഥാ വിധാനന അനയാ സ്ഫുടമീക്ഷിതോ ഭവാൻ അനവസ്ഥാം ജഗദാം ബദാദനോദ്. In the cavity of your mouth she saw all the words, where even you were present with the mouth open once again, in which again all the words were seen, and so on and on endlessly. This definitely expounded though as the infinitude of the universe. ധൃതതത്വധിയം തഥാ ക്ഷണം ജനനീം താം പ്രണയേന മോഹയൻ സനമംബദിശേത്യുപാസജൻ ഭഗവൻ അദ്ഭുത ബാലപാഹി മാം. At that time, for a moment, Yashoda had a flash of illumination. Though with affection deluded her and clung to her, calling her mother, and demanded to be suckled. Oh Hare, you wondrous child, please protect me. With this, Dashka 46 is getting completed. We will have a bhajan song to end this video.
കേശാദിപാദം തൊഴുന്നേ കേശവ കേശാദിപാദം തൊഴുന്നേൻ പീലിച്ചുരുൾ മുടിയും നീലത്തിരൂവുടലും ഭാലത്തൊടു കുറിയും താഴ് തൊഴുന്നേൻ കേശാദിപാദം തൊഴുന്നേൻ മകരകുണ്ഡലമിട്ട് മലർക്കാത് തൊഴുന്നേൻ കൂട്ടിരകുന്തളം പാറും കുളിർനെറ്റി തൊഴുന്നേൻ കരുണ തൻ കടലായ കടമിഴി തൊഴുന്നേൻ അരുണകിരണമണി മുഖപദ്മം കേശാദിപാദം തൊഴുകരവിണു വണിയുന്ന കരതലം തൊഴുന്നേൻ, കൗസ്തുഭം തിളങ്ങുന്ന കളകണ്ഠം തൊഴുന്നേൻ, വനമാല മയങ്ങുന്ന മണിമാറു തൊഴുന്നേൻ, കനക കങ്കണമിട്ട കൈത്തണ്ട് തൊഴുന്നേൻ, കേശാദിപാദം തൊഴുന്നേൻ. അരയിലെ മഞ്ഞപ്പട്ടുടയാട തൊഴുന്നേൻ, അണിമുത്തുകിലുങ്ങുന്നോർ അരഞ്ഞാണം തൊഴുന്നേൻ, കനകച്ചിലങ്കതുള്ളും കാൽത്തളിർ തൊഴുന്നേൻ, കരിമുകിൽ വർണ്ണൻ്റെ അടിമുടി തൊഴുന്നേൻ, കേശാദിപാദം തൊഴുന്നേൻ. കേശവ കേശാദിപാദം തൊഴുന്നേൻ.